Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the fourth problem of exercise 2.4. Let us observe a question. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. If the two parts are in the ratio of 5:3, find the number and the two parts. Find the number and two parts. Here we have given that a number has been divided into two parts. It has been divided into two parts, and that two parts are in the ratio of 5:3. So let us take that first part is to second part. Okay, so they have given this ratio between this first part and second part as a 5:3, and from this we can assume that first part can take that first part as a multiple of 5 as a 5x, and the second part we can take as a multiple of 3 as a 3x. Second part is a 3x, and what is the relation between these two parts? Okay, here he mentioned that says such that one part is 10 more than the other. One part is 10 more than the other. Here first part is 5x, second part is 3x. As 5x is greater than the 3x, we can take that first part 5x is 10 more than the 3x. So here we got an linear equation in one variable. In this, if I transpose this plus 3x to other hand of equation, it becomes a negative 3x, so that we can write it as an 5x minus 3x is equals to 10. 5x minus 3x, that is of 2x. 2x is equals to 10. From this, x is equals to 10 by 2, which is of 5 we get. X value we got as an 5. But what we are asked to find out, we are asked to find out those two parts and what is that number. So let me find out that first part. What is the first part that we got? That is of 5x. 5x means what? 5 into 5, that is of 25. Okay, and second part we assume it as an 3x, that is of 3 into 5 as 15. Now, and adding this all, you will get a required number. Therefore, required number required number is equals to 25 plus 15, that is of 40 you will get.